Hello guys, happy Sunday to everyone. And time check, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, so I got up early to prepare lunch for my husband as he's going to work. And today I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my homemade hummus. So let me show you all my ingredients. Homemade hummus, we require all those ingredients. Here I have I have black pepper powder, I have cumin powder, I have these chickpeas, but if you want, you can use the fresh one you have boiled with water until it gets cooked, and then save some 4 tablespoons of water. Don't throw everything, save 4 tablespoons of water, because later on when grinding the chickpeas you will be needing those water. And you need some salt, mixed herbs, and olive oil. And this is my homemade tahini. So tahini is good actually. It's a full pack of nutrients, and you can use tahini for dips as well. And this one, I'm using this for hummus. This is actually roasted sesame seeds with lemon and salt and olive oil. I'm using olive oil for this. Sunflower also is good to use for the tahini. And aside from the ingredients, this one will be needing some of garlic. So anyway, for my hummus, I'm using only 2 garlic. But if you like garlic, then you can free to add little more. And then I will gonna squeeze some lemon as well. So I have peeled some garlic here because I'm gonna make some garlic paste as well. So I'll just do it one time. And here I already have put my chickpeas in my grinder. So all you have to do, just put all the ingredients here and grind it. This is already inside. I'm gonna add the water from the chickpeas. So I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons. Okay, and I can add some salt. I'm gonna add half teaspoon right now, but later on, if I want more, then I can add later on. Then half teaspoon of cumin powder, and you just have to add all of this. It's a half teaspoon of black pepper, okay, and some herbs. Herbs, I just have to estimate like that, and 2 pieces of garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and some olive oil. And for tahini, this is my homemade tahini. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of this. One, 2, 3. Tahini will really helps to give a good smooth texture from the chickpeas. And then we're gonna squeeze some lemon. I don't like this kind of lemon, doesn't have so much of juice of this. So I'm gonna add one more of lemon. But actually you need only 2 tablespoons of lemon. So I think this is enough. We just have to, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, and now we have to grind. As you can see, so we have to add more of olive oil, I'm putting like just a one, like this much. So I am adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I forgot. So now let's just do it again, grind. So that's okay. Now this is fine. So we just have to taste. This is okay for us. So we transfer this in the tight container. Now we have to transfer it here. So as you can see, so now it's already in the glass container. So I'm gonna drizzle this with olive oil.
Hello. I just woke
This is normally served in a restaurant. You have to drizzle with olive oil. So now this is my hummus.
Hello.
I'm gonna make a pita or cabos wrap for my husband for lunch. So I'll show you how I'll make my lunch. So this is our leftover food from last night because I made homemade shawarma last night. So this is our leftover meat, and I'm gonna put some lettuce as well and cucumber, so it's much healthier. And actually hummus is naturally high in good fats because of its sesame seeds and olive oil content. But of course we have to eat this in moderation. So what I'll do, just have to put some like this. Don't worry, I already washed my hands before I'm doing this preparation. So I'm gonna put some lettuce here. Okay. And hummus. Just have to put little bits of this hummus. So it really gives a nice flavor. Okay. And then just wrap it. Put a little bit more. Traditionally, hummus is served on a large plate, usually drizzles with olive oil and herbs. So you can eat it with fresh feta like this, and you can put some cucumber salad or lettuce, whatever your vegetables choice. You can put like this. For some also, they eat hummus with grilled meat. So first, and this, you just have to wrap it in a foil. Then again, one more. So normally I'll give only 2 for my husband. So I'm giving only 2 of this. I put some meat. And some lettuce, cucumber. And some hummus. So now finish. Here you have it. Very healthy, easy to make. and very handy as well. So you just have, normally my husband will go to site and just eat less like this. Sometimes he doesn't have time to eat lunch. So this is perfect option making a pita roll. So that's all for today, guys. So now you know how to make a hummus. So next time you can make it your own hummus at home, so you don't have to go to the store and get some. So that's all for today. I hope this content is helpful to you on how to make a homemade hummus, and I hope to see you to my next one. Bye.